So let's think about a fuel system. The fuel, well, it's in the tank. It gets pulled through a sock and filtered. And then it might go through another filter that's in line with the system. And then it goes to the fuel rail and then the fuel injector. So how does a fuel injector become clogged? I mean, the fuel's been filtered twice. So chances are it's not going to be particulates. So what happens to a fuel injector? Well, it happens on top of the engine. More or less, you're doing this to a fuel injector when you turn off the fuel system. Just imagine this fuel injector. You've been driving for a long period of time. You shut off the engine and the fuel is no longer flowing through the injector and cooling it. All of a sudden, all that fuel inside the injector, well, it's evaporating. And what's left behind is typically paraffins and other junk inside of the fuel that contaminates the fuel injector. So how do you clear this out? Well, there are intake treatments to where you can pour it into the gas tank, or you can clean the rail with a professional system like this that provides a secondary fuel system that attaches to the inlet port of the rail and then pumps fuel through the injector with a high percentage of cleaners. This way, you're going to clean up the injector and make sure that the inside is not coated with all the gunk from the heat soak of the engine. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.